Bali yung contract is worth 2 million. Ngayon, gusto ko sana gumawa ng proposal about this. Ngayon yung magiging yung features nito, sasend ko na lang is yun, pakisend na lang po. Then, kung sino yung may pinakamagandang proposal, siya ang mananalo sa deal at siya ang mag-advertise ko. Na kakansin din ba tayo?
Yes, sir.
So, ang deadline natin is 3 days. Kaya naman ang 3 days. Okay. I'll meet you after 3 days. Okay.
Nandito tayo dahil merong isang kumpanya na nag-alok sa atin para i-advertise ang kanilang produkto. So, our goal here is the 2 million pesos. Pag nakuha natin to, kukonsultahin nila tayo at tayo mag-advertise ng kanilang produkto. So, Sheila, I'm assigning you for the video presentation of our gagawin. Ikaw ang bahala sa... Gusto kong color ng background presentation mo is red. Ikaw nang bahala sa design. So, Michelle, ikaw naman ang bahala sa mga tarpaulin. Okay? Any more questions or suggestions?
Ma'am, so ano yung product na i-advertise natin?
Good question. So, yung pinapa-advertise nila sa ating produkto is motherboard.
Anong company naman yung kumuha sa akin, ma'am?
The Watermelon Company. Okay na?
Good morning, madam.
Oh, good morning. Why are you late?
Ma'am, traffic po kasi.
Ganun ba? Ay, si Sheila.
Ma'am, hindi ko po alam.
Ay, si Sheila po. Sige, answer it. Hello?
O bakit? Asan nga ba ngayon? Tinatanong ka ni ma'am. Sige, sabihin mo na lang. Sige,
Bakit daw?
ma'am, hindi daw makakapasok ngayon sa Sheila.
Bakit naman?
Ma'am, kasi daw po may emergency na ayusin. Yun lang po yung sinabi mo.
Ano ba yan? Alam niya na ngayon yung meeting natin kasi ngayon pa niya itataon na mag-a-absent.
Kaya,
Ay, sige, ano na nga.
ma'am, ito nga pala yung mga files na ginawa ko para sa presentation.
Oo nga.
Okay na po ba yan, ma'am?
Maganda. Pero dapat palitan mo lang yung color nito kasi parang dark.
Sige po. So, light, ma'am.
Oo. Maganda. So, ganito pala yung ano natin, ganyan. Yan. Tapos, kamusta naman yung tarpaulin mo?
Okay na, ma'am. Nandiyan na din yung mga features sa kanto.
Magaling. Tapos na din natin to. Kailangan ko lang yung video presentation ni Sheila. Dapat makita na natin yung bago pa yung last day.
Medyo mahirap daw po sa amin.
Oo nga eh. Sige, yan.
Okay. Hello? Yes, kita na tayo sa video. Sige, wait
sobrang hirap na nakakalimutan.
Oo nga eh. Tingnan mo, halika nga rito. Tingnan mo kung anong babago dito. Kasi I still need your suggestions eh.
Pero okay naman po yan, ma'am. Magaling ka naman eh.
Ito, okay na ba?
Okay naman, pero yung kulay po, di ba sabi mo light po?
Ay, oo nga pala. Opo.
Okay na
Sige.
yun. Maganda na.
Ito na muna para sa araw na to. Ano, we'll have a break muna?
Sige naman, pagod na tayo eh.
O, sige, sige. Iwan ko lang sa dito. Sige po. Ayun ko muna yung mga Ito. Ito nga pala. Yung mga sabi kong baguhin mo, pakibago na rin, ha? O, sige. Sige, tara na. Sige. Nakagutom.
morning. I'm Jonathan Bautista, brother of Aaron T. Bautista. I'm here in charge for the day. Because he has an urgent meeting to the US. So, let's start.
Good morning to all of us. Miss Herbert, please distribute the copy of our proposal. And then turn the proposal on page 1. As you can see on page 1, it states here that 50% discounts on selected items. But instead of selected items, we choose all items. And based on our proposal, what? I beg to disagree. Why? That's my proposal. This is our proposal. Really? Yes. Pinaghirapan ng team ko yan. Pinaghirapan namin yan. Then prove it.
Wait. What's happening?
Sir, this is my proposal. No, she stole it from me. Of course that.
Ayoko ng ganito. I'll give you 24 hours to fix it. Bukas darating na yung kapatid ko. Kailangan, maayos niya yan. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sheila, Michelle, let's go. The two of you, sit down. I-explain nyo nga sa akin kung ano yung nangyari kanina. Yung nangyari sa loob. Bakit magkapareho tayo ng proposal?
Hindi ko nga rin po alam, ma'am ngayon na rin po yung pinagtataka ko kung bakit pareho.
Bakit? Kayong dalawa lang ang binigyan ko ng proposal. Ibig sabihin, may nagtra-try daw sa akin dito?
Hindi po ako, ma'am. Alam niyo po yun na...
Well, walang mangyayari kung magsisisiyan lang tayo. Kailangan natin makagawa ng isang panibagong presentation. Yung mas maganda dun kay Dalmacio. OMG! Speaking of the devil, Sheila, the devil is here.
Arbel, did you smell the 2 million pesos? Yes, ma'am.
Guys, morning. And sorry for not attending last meeting because I have an important meeting on US. And I want you to meet Mr. Agaraw, my associate partner. And thank you for my brother for being my substitute last meeting. And let's proceed now. Who will be the first presenter? I am Mrs. Empeño.
First things first, I just want to say sorry for what happened yesterday. I'm really very sorry. So let's proceed. Turn your pages on page 5. So my team created a proposal that will surely amaze our clients. We created a design that will attract our clients or buyers. So we decided that the design of our tarpaulin's background color is blue. Kasi kapag masyadong dark at masyadong light, pangit ng tignan at masakit na sa mata. So, sir, andito po yung mga samples. So, one more thing is, gagawin natin buy one, take one ang ating produkto para mas mabenta sa masa.
Sinasabi mo ba dapat ba ano yung proposal mo eh? Pag nag-buy one, take one tayo, yung price ng isa magiging dalawa. It means mababawasan ng ilang porsyento ang magiging dapat kita ng aking negosyo.
No, sir. What I'm trying to say is, gagawin natin times 100% ang presyo ng ating produkto. Sa tingin ng ating buyers, nakalamang sila. Pero ang totoo, hindi.
Okay, then.
So, here's the report. That's all. Thank you.
Next presenter, please.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My proposal is really to redesign the motherboard from old style to modern. The highlight of my proposal is really to make it to be able to support the new operating system Windows 8 made by Microsoft Corporation. Especially our motherboard should be compatible to both Intel and AMD processors. We will need to make our motherboard the best motherboard among others. That's it.
May I ask a question, Ms. Greg? Do you will provide the commercials, the tarpaulins?
Yes sir, I will provide.
Okay then. We will have just a meeting with my associate partner and my brother and see how the proposal works in our company.
Thank you.
So there will be again a meeting after 2 hours. So partner and Sarah Minas Empeño is so very good in presenting. I think that is very good.
Greg's also proposal is very good. Dan Carmina, I think Greg is the
Dalmacio, said 50% of grants. That's nice, but guys, we have a very good proposals that you have give me. So I think we have a winners. So based on our meeting, all proposals are very nicely done. But there's only one winner. We all know that, right? So congratulations, Mr. Gregorio, for winning the proposal. So the contract, please. So we sign it. You may sign here. So we can implement that tomorrow. Congratulations.
Thank you sir.
happened there?
Ma'am, hindi ko po alam.
Wait. Something.
OMG! Speaking of the devil, Sheila, the devil is here.
Oh my God, Arbel, did you smell the 2 million pesos? Yes, ma'am. Amoy ko na.
Magnanakaw.
Bakit? May prueba ka ba?
Tignan na lang natin mamaya sa presentation.
Why not? Go. Bakit nag-uula tayo sa pinto?
The proposal of Greg is very good. Do you like that?
Me, I like that too.
Are you sure that you want Greg's proposal to be implemented in our company? Nice. Very nice.
Yes.
Good then. So, Greg is the winner?
Yeah. Good. Pick Greg. You. Greg. Compute.
Okay guys, good morning. I want you to meet Mr. Agarao.